Okay, so let's have a look. This is now the second video. We're going to be having a look at a little bit of a challenge that I'm going to set you. Okay, we're actually going to ask you to print a poem, just getting you used to the idea of opening a new file, of using the print function, of naming a file, and of actually sort of closing the file as well. So what we're going to be doing is, this is challenge 1, and what we're going to be calling it is mash1py. So we're going to click on File, we're going to click on Save As, make sure that you're in your area, okay, and we're going to call this, I'm going to put this in my area for you guys, into Python, and we're going to call it mash py 1. Okay, so let's say save, and we shall get this started. Alright, so what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to type in a poem as you can see me doing it. Alright, so what I need you to do is, I'm going to type it in, but you guys are going to have to come up with how to actually get it to display in the debug area down the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to type in the words, you have to figure out what you have to use in terms of what word are you going to use first. Do you need to use brackets? Is there anything else that you need to use for this to show up on your screen, okay, or in the program? So here is what you need to type in. Whoops. Alright, so that's what we need you to show. What we need you to do is make sure that you use the right syntax, in other words, the right words that you need to use to get this to be displayed down in this area here. If you're not sure, if you remember, we actually showed you how to actually get these words to show up in the program. So if you're not sure, you can always go back and have a look at video 1. Now, I'm not telling you how to do it. If you get it wrong, as you can see where my mouse is moving, it will come up with the word syntax error. Okay? If you get it right, then when you save it and you ask the program to run it, then it will very clearly show up down in this debug area here. Give that a go and we will go over that in just a minute.